Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a cross-legged posture or pose. So we're going to have some sort of seat going, and we have done other videos with person seated, even cross-legged, but we're doing a different angle, and that is the angle from the front. So this is the seat. The seat is not really our focus. Say that we're looking at it from this kind of perspective, and now the person is going to go on the seat, and I think we're going to bring this a little lower, right around there, and that is the seat itself, and that was the backrest. So just to put down something for our person to sit on, and then we're going to put in the details on the chair. So one leg and foot will probably go around there. That is the knee, shin. There's foreshortening here that will come into play depending on how we are looking at the angle. That could vary, but right now from this angle we have knee, shin. That is the other leg. So that is the left leg, lower part of the body. So let's say that there's a little slouching posture there, and shoulder set, hands, collar area, and head. So as we usually do, we'll put out a few options to have fun with. Let's say that this is our first. Okay, so knee coming right down from under there. We have to also make sure that this leg comes right over like that. Chest area, collar area, and we could have the person like slouching backward as well, like this, and really throw back the upper body a little bit, but we do not essentially have to. That is the, let's say that is sunken, the person is like sunken a bit into the sofa. Realistically, that is how it is. And if we have to show a bit of this thigh, you could also do that, but not really essential practice. There's the shoulders. Now we could do a few things with this from this point onward, and that is, so 1 and 2. So hand, resting right there, hand resting right there. And we could also have, if the body is resting backward, we could have that. So arms going right behind. Let's say that hand is going right around the bench. Or the person could be like sitting there with the laptop, in which case there will be foreshortening, just that much of the hand will show, and this will move a bit to that side. Hand foreshortening. This set of hand, the upper hand will not stray too much, just these hands, and of course the laptop will come somewhere right here into play. With the head, a lot of things can be done. Hunch downward, or resting. Perhaps we should grab a different pen for that. See if we can still make it visible. And so resting backward, so different things, or resting backward and holding a cell phone with some foreshortening again, so holding a cell phone. So different things can be done with this pose. A lot of fun can be had. Please do try it out. Google some images as well to grab some different models to do this. Please do subscribe. Keep in touch. Thank you for watching. Have yourself a wonderful day.